Hey guys, welcome back to the Sniper and Chronicles. We're coming back at you with another Ratchet video. Okay, this time we have a Master Mechanic, and this is, I think, this is the model number here is M1050, and it says USA, but we'll take that with a grain of salt for now. But yeah, this is a 1/4" ratchet. And for a round head, it also has a quick release. You can see that release button. But before we get into it, if you find any of these videos at all helpful or interesting, feel free to hit the like button and also hit that subscribe button. Okay, yeah, I picked this up I think a while ago. It's been laying around for a little while. It's Master Mechanic. I think Master Mechanic was a brand of True Value hardware stores. Like I mentioned, it says USA, but this has the feel like kind of like one of those Stanley products that was kind of made mostly overseas, and then maybe had some parts that were USA made, and they would put USA on them, and I think they got in trouble for that some time ago. This kind of smacks of that, I think. Could be wrong, could be legit USA, but I don't know, it just doesn't feel right to be all USA. So to open this up, it has a coil ring that I guess 99% of these round heads carry this coil ring, and this one luckily has a little like a tooth there sticking out where it makes it easier to get a small screwdriver or something underneath and to lift it up. And you just take it out, and you can see what I'm talking about, that little cutout there. And this is pretty easy, just push it out. Let's take a look at the broaching here. The broaching looks pretty good, actually. The teeth look pretty uniform throughout. The broaching has a little bit of a cutout here on the side. This is the anvil side, and on the quick release side has a bigger cutout there for that. You can see that cutout there. What else? So this I might say this might be USA made. Seems pretty good so far. And here is the mechanism. I think I mentioned this is a 1/4" ratchet. It has the quick release, which is just the switch here. The whole switch turns into a release button, and it has a little, the pin sticks out when you push it a little bit, and the ball goes up and down. Right off the bat, the pawl is kind of dancing. It's kind of dancing back and forth in its channel there. It's too small. You see it wiggling back and forth, up and down. It's too small for this cutout. So right there, that's to me kind of not a great sign of, really good quality. And another thing, unfortunately, you can't take these apart. That's another thing. They put these together, I'm not sure how. They press them in, and I guess it has something to do with the quick release where it's not able to come out. Actually, you see the plunger in there. It doesn't even touch when you pull it. It doesn't even touch this side of the wall here. So you see it kind of sits in the middle there. It's spring loaded. The pin actually goes down in this the quick release switch gap. This the pin for the pawl kind of peeks out, and if you tap a little bit, it goes all the way to the bottom of the switch there. But luckily it doesn't come all the way out of this side over here. So yeah, and like I said, the pawl here is 3 teeth per side. You switch it the other side, same thing, 3 teeth, but just that kind of all that slack there, that back and forth slack, it doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't really feel right for me to say this is like a great quality piece. Also over here you see it's all chromed, but these striations, I think that's what they call them, these lines, kind of reminds me of earlier Taiwan, maybe from the 90s or 80s, this kind of machining here. So that's why I'm kind of leaning towards maybe the handle was made in USA, and maybe the mechanism was maybe something Taiwan or something. The body, maybe, I don't know, maybe the pawl was made here, who knows? Who knows with these? But like I said, it's a kind of an average ratchet, an average kind of round head, kind of in the quality, in the same quality strata as medium grade, medium grade Taiwan ratchets from this period. You know, nothing to write home about here, nothing too great. And to put this back together, it's simple. Just press down on whatever side's up on the pawl so you can get clearance, and push it back in. Get your ring situated, and mash it around, and that's it. There you go. See how it sounds. Doesn't sound too bad actually. The back drag isn't that bad. It's a little noticeable, but not too bad. Not like the dual pawl ones, like a proto style double pawl design, which has very light back drag. These have kind of light to medium back drag. But yeah, here's a look at the knurling. The knurling doesn't look too bad. Kind of that flat-ish knurling. Doesn't, you feel it, but it isn't really like pronounced. And the lines don't look too bad on this. The chrome looks okay. Looks like a decent chrome job on these. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, the only thing is the USA part. That might be kind of, if you see a set of these, it might throw you and think, oh yeah, well this is like a high quality ratchet. It's not that great. I know that they did, Master Mechanic had, I guess, a contract with Eastco, because I have seen the round head fine tooth style ratchets with the Master Mechanic name on them. Those are USA, and those are legit. Those are legit Eastco. People really like those mechanisms, double pawl mechanisms, round heads, which are pretty tough, and those are legit USA, hard as nails kind, so to speak, ratchets. And I have seen master mechanics with Taiwan, which this kind of, I would say, falls more under that. A Taiwanese style round head ratchet from that period. Alright guys, that's all I got for now. Until next time.